Hi, I'm Nathan Bacon. I'll be your professor for this course. In this course, Coaching Authorization, we will be meeting the expectations required by the state of Iowa for you to receive your authorization to coach at a high school. My whole goal as I've designed this course is to make sure that you are well equipped to not only meet the standards of the state, but also think about them differently as God has put us in positions that we've been called to and called to serve in and serve faithfully in. My challenge to all of you is that as you look at every assignment and as you think about your homework and put yourself in positions that you may find yourself in as a coach in our current climate, that you think about how as Christians we should handle those. And what does that look like? And the best way for us to prepare for those things is to just think about them and put ourselves in them mentally. Now, obviously, there's going to be things that come up that we don't think about, we aren't prepared for, and we'll answer those questions too. In terms of outside of coaching theory and philosophy type issues, we'll also be studying some basic anatomy and human function and just the physiological makeup of the body and how to properly equip your athletes to perform at their highest level. We will meet the basic requirements for that, and I always will challenge you to look deeper than what we just cover here in this course to gain more perspective. As coaches, we are always learning. Our learning never stops. If you look at great coaches throughout history of sport, you'll see them talk about those same things. You'll see them talk about how important investment in your own self is as a coach. Because when you stop learning as a coach and you stop growing, your athletes are going to know that and they will be hindered by that. Okay, the last thing I want to leave you with here in this intro video is to remember that sport is great. Sport is such a big part of the current climate of our country. And we have been given the opportunity to serve as coaches and mentor and be in a position of leadership over these young men and women. And it is our job to use that platform that God has given us as a resource to impact lives. Some of you are going to be working at Christian schools where the majority of your kids have come from Christian backgrounds and live in a Christian home, and they go through routines, but they're still struggling with the idea of making their faith their own, and you have the ability to impact that. Others of you in this course are at public high schools where you're going to have a wide array of athletes. You're going to be tasked with different challenges than those of us that work at Christian institutions or challenges that are just at a different level. And so I want to challenge you to think, how can I impact that person? How can I love that person as Christ would and show them that love daily through how I coach and how I interact? Excited to go through this course with you. A few quick hitters, and I always try to remind you of this, is that the best way to contact me will be through my email. I will try to check those and respond every Monday and Thursday. I also here at Dordt serve as our head baseball coach and teach here on campus as well. And as you can imagine, my inbox gets pretty backed up, so I'll try to answer those in a timely manner and get back to you with any questions that you may have. Excited about this course, and hopefully it's beneficial to you in your growth and development, and not just to meet the requirements of the state. Hope everybody has a great day.